Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a transformative force in the modern era, reshaping industries and everyday life. It originates from the mid-20th century, when the concept of machines that think began to turn from science fiction into reality. Today, AI's importance cannot be overstated. It powers technologies from smart assistants to advanced diagnostic systems in healthcare. Starting an AI project can lead to significant advancements, providing solutions to complex problems and driving innovation. The technology not only improves efficiency, but also opens new avenues for development across various sectors, making it an essential field for exploration. Selecting the right AI project is pivotal and should be guided by one's interests, the potential impact, and pre-existing skills. When choosing a project, consider areas you are passionate about, as this drives sustained engagement and creativity. The impact of the project is equally critical. Aim for solutions that can significantly benefit either the community or specific sectors. Compatibility with your current skills ensures a smoother project progression, although venturing into learning new technologies can be beneficial. Above all, alignment with personal or business goals is essential, as it ensures that the project contributes directly to overarching objectives and provides value. Building an AI model is a structured process beginning with data collection, where you gather the necessary information pertinent to the task. Next is data processing, where this data is cleaned and formatted, making it suitable for use. The heart of this journey is model training, where you apply algorithms to learn from the data. This phase requires adjusting parameters to improve accuracy. Refining the model involves fine-tuning these settings and potentially retraining the model with new data to enhance performance. Key to efficiency is automating repetitive tasks and using powerful computing resources to handle complex calculations faster. The testing phase is crucial in AI development, serving as a litmus test for the model's effectiveness before its real-world application. This phase entails rigorous evaluation using new data sets to ensure the model performs as expected under various scenarios. Once tested, deploying the AI involves integrating it into existing systems or launching it as a standalone application. However, deployment is not the endpoint. Ongoing maintenance is essential to address any emerging issues and incorporating updates to improve functionality and adapt to new data or changing conditions. These steps ensure the AI remains robust and continues delivering value.